Hey, guys, welcome to the Gadget Lab. In this video, we are going to check out top 5 best car panoramic camera systems. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Number 5 on our list is WDR 1080p Surround View 360 degrees Panorama System. Specifications: brand name, WDR. Imaging sensor, 1/3 color CMOS. Frames per second, 25. Max external memory, 64 GB. Number of lenses, 4. Interface, AV out. Memory, 4 GB. Aperture, 1.6. Camera chip, GC2053, V200. Lens, 6 glass. Camera waterproof rating, IP67. Display size, 10.1 inches. Number 4 on our list is Vantru E360 DashCam. Specifications: brand name, Vantru. App compatibility, iOS, Android. Screen ratio, 4:3. View angle, 360 degrees. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 512 GB. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, Sony Starvis 2 IMX678. Chipset manufacturer, HiSilicon. Display, IPS. Interface, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, microSD, DF. Warranty, 18 months. Weight, 614 grams. Number 3 on our list is Smarter Panorama System Cameras. Specifications: brand name, Smarter. Touchscreen, no. Monitor area, side, inner, front, rear. Max external memory, 32 GB. Number of lenses, 4. Certification, CE. Interface, AV out. Origin, mainland China. Number 2 on our list is Car 360 Camera 1080p 3D WDR Surround View System. Specifications: brand name, Autojetta. Guiding line, yes. Lens material, plastic plus glass. Shell material, plastic. Wire or wireless, wire. Alarm type, vehicle backup cameras, accessories, front side, rear side. Material, plastic. Certification, CE. Origin, mainland China. Number 1 on our list is 360 degrees Panoramic Camera. Specifications: brand name, Zcon. Monitor area, side, front, rear. Number of lenses, 4. Origin, mainland China. Certification, CE.